This is Top of the Rock, a 4-bedroom cabin in Beersheba Springs, Tennessee, with a breathtaking view. Let's check it out. We are so excited to be here at Top of the Rock. But before we get into the house itself, the property is what really blew me away when we got here. It feels like you're in a state park with all of the rock formations and almost like caverns and crevices throughout. And everything is spaced perfectly from the top of the rock cabin here to the tree lofts and the A-frame to where you have privacy, but it's close enough that if you had a large group and you wanted to book them all, you really could enjoy the property itself. And they've actually made trails all throughout. We actually had a chance to meet one of the maintenance guys. His name is Corey, and he told us that they have a trail that runs all the way down into the valley. And so there's just a lot of beauty here. And then of course, the view. We're on the Cumberland Plateau, and so looking out over the valley with the beautiful hills and mountains, it is just breathtaking up here. And there's multiple spots to enjoy the view. Right out in the front of the cabin is a fire pit area. And then one of my favorite parts is there's this huge crevice between the two rocks. And they've got a bridge that goes over out into this front rock that just juts out over the edge, and it's got some seating there. It's absolutely beautiful. It just feels fun and adventurous. And then of course, outside over the fire pit and in the trees, they've got a bunch of lights to really make it feel magical at night.
And then coming up to the cabin itself, it is stunning with the floor to ceiling windows that just have this beautiful glow at nighttime. So this outdoor area is gorgeous day and night. And then they've got plenty of porch space. This open porch has a couple of rocking chairs, and then they have 2 different screened-in porches. This one over here has some seating and a wood-burning fireplace. And then the other one has additional seating with a really cool concrete bar top table, perfect for eating outside and enjoying. And then even further beyond that, if you open the side door of the screen porch, it leads out to the hot tub. And it's so cool because you walk out onto the rocks to get to the hot tub, and there's some string lights. So just all the outdoor areas are fantastic.
And speaking of rocks, this cabin really does deserve the name Top of the Rock. When we were flying the drone out, you could see that this is literally just one big rock that the whole cabin sits on. It's such a cool concept. Love how he built it. And then being in Beersheba Springs, Tennessee, we are not far from some beautiful hiking trails and waterfalls. Just down the road is Greeter Falls, which is a swimming hole. And then South Cumberland State Park is not far, with Stone Door, Laurel Falls, and many other hiking trails that are just incredible. So lots of adventure to be had when staying here.
I think it's time to go inside.
Let's do it. The interior of this house is unique. It's got so much character. It's very different than what we typically see. It's usually a modern farmhouse, Scandinavian style, but this is almost more of a classic with modern, groovy, kind of cozy feel to it. It's a lot of different things that have come together to really be beautiful.
Starting off in this living room, they've got a really comfortable L couch and a colorful rug that kind of ties this fun, funky space together. Across from it, they've got a gas fireplace with a TV. And my favorite thing about the fireplace is it's got this copper plating that runs all the way up, and it has a green patina to it, so it's a really unique feature, and they've got stone running up the side as well. And this house has 2 floors, and this living room is open all the way up to the 2nd floor because there's a balcony, so it feels just very grand when you walk in. And there are also floor-to-ceiling windows along this side, so you can see the view while you're enjoying this space.
One of the cool things that gives a lot of character to this place is the owner is obviously a huge music fan. Under the stairs, there's a cabinet with a record player and a huge collection of records underneath. And they connect out to these really high-end speakers that sit on either side of the fireplace. So you can jam out or dance around in the living room while you're here. It's just a fun touch that I think adds something to do that's not just watching TV. And then another piece that I love is they've got this old records and things sign that lights up, hangs right next to the fireplace. It's honestly so different from everything else, but it still looks so cool in here. It's awesome. And then one more thing that I love about this living room is the chandelier.
Oh, yeah.
It keeps in line with that funky, groovy feel. Absolutely love it.
Yes. And then continuing past this living space, you've got the kitchen with a massive island that can seat 6 people at the bar. And they've got all of your major appliances and everything you need to cook a meal. And it's just a stunning kitchen. Plus, a really unique part about the oven is instead of having a hood over it, the exhaust fan actually comes out of the island. It just raises up and then it goes back down, and it's just such a cool touch.
Off to my left is the first bedroom with a couple of chairs, a queen bed, and some lamps. And again, it really ties in with those different colors, those oranges and browns, just to match the design of this place. And then there is a full bathroom connected to that one as well. And then to my right is the other downstairs bedroom that also has a queen bed, a full bathroom, and then a washer and dryer. And one of the neat things about that bedroom is you get to kind of wake up to the view, but then it has direct access to the porch that will lead you out to the hot tub. And just overall, another great thing about this property is the owner built it as a vacation home for he and his family. And so everything in here is really high end and very well done. So now let's go check out the upstairs. Real quick, if you're a host of a unique or amazing Airbnb that you want us to feature, you can go to journeymore.com and fill out the contact form. Also, be sure to like this video, comment down below what your favorite part is, and you'll have to check out our other videos of the tree lofts and the A-frame that are also on this property. Everything is stunning.
Up here in the balcony, we've got kind of a movie game area up here with some super comfortable seating, a little table to play some games, an extra bed too if you have more people, and then a TV with a console that has a ton of options for having some fun.
And then off of this second living room are 2 bedrooms. Both have queen beds in them. They have their own decorations and colors to each. And then in between, they're connected by a bathroom that has a double vanity and a shower as well. And just being up here, you just get another unique view of the property through the windows. Everything about this place was intentionally designed so that you could enjoy that view.
And that tops off top of the rock. So now we're gonna go build a fire. Enjoying that sunset was fantastic, but now I'm really excited because we are cooking a couple of pork tenderloins for dinner. We're gonna eat one and then save one. So we've never cooked these before, but we'll see what happens.
Press the button and it comes up out of the counter.
Wow, that is crazy.
in honor of our friends Morgan and Morgan, who showed us these pre-made pork tenderloins that are delicious. And with us being at Shoots, we have to have something easy, so it's perfect.
Check them, and they are good.
Okay, teriyaki. Here we go.
The bacon is my favorite.
Definitely.
Teriyaki's pretty good, but bacon one is more flavorful.
Oh yeah, bacon one is where it's at.
Would love to play this one, but Hayden won't let me, so. Or he says we should do something more fun than Taylor Swift. So Dixie Chicks, it is.
We're gonna start this morning with a hot tub soak. This has got to be one of the most perfect properties. It is beautiful. This morning, the clouds have been rolling through the valley down here, and we probably could have just sat here for hours this morning, just watching the change in the scenery. It is so serene up here. It's quiet. There's like no noise. You just hear the birds chirping. It's amazing.
This is definitely my favorite spot. Out here on this rock, I'm claiming it.
Yep, this is the place to be in the morning. It is so cool. Just walking across the bridge to your rock. I love it. If you want to book Top of the Rock for yourself, we will leave a link in the description below. Be sure to like the video, comment your favorite part, and check out our other videos of their tree lofts and A-frame. All four of these properties are absolutely incredible, and they're right here. So if you need more space for more people, you can book all of them and have this mountaintop spot to yourself.